There are 7 fundamental methods of directly transforming other forms of energy into electrical energy: static electricity, electromagnetic induction, electrochemistry, photoelectric effect, thermoelectric effect, piezoelectric effect, nuclear transformation. Static electricity refers to the buildup of electric charge on the surface of objects. The triboelectric effect is an electric exchange of charged particles created by friction from rubbing 2 different materials together, one being positive and one negative. It is also referred to as static cling, with opposite particles attracting and like particles repelling. The natural phenomenon of static electricity is lightning. The movement of particles build up a static charge. Once the potential difference is large enough, the static charge will discharge electricity. Electromagnetic induction is the production of an electric current across a conductor moving through a field. Electromagnetic induction is the fundamental principle for the operation of generators, transformers, induction motors, electric motors, synchronous motors, and solenoids. Electrochemistry is the transformation between chemical energy and electrical energy, commonly referred to as electrolysis, where the chemical reaction is driven by an external applied voltage. The chemical reaction occurring in this primary battery produces a voltage. The photoelectric effect is the transformation of light energy into electrical energy. When photons from sunlight hit a solar cell, light energy is transformed into electrical energy. When the photons from sunlight hit the solar cell, electrons are emitted, creating an electric charge. The thermoelectric effect, commonly referred to as the Seebeck effect, can be used to generate electricity, measure temperature, or change the temperature of objects. Because the direction of heating and cooling is determined by the polarity of the applied voltage, thermoelectric devices are efficient temperature controllers. Conversely, when a voltage is applied to it, it creates a temperature difference. The piezoelectric effect is the generation of electricity resulting from mechanical stress or pressure. The piezoelectric effect occurs when the charge balance within a material's crystal lattice is disturbed. When there is no applied stress on the material, the positive and negative charges are evenly distributed and there is no potential difference. When the lattice is changed slightly, the charge imbalance creates a potential difference. Nuclear transformation. In nuclear fission, large atoms break into smaller ones and give off thermal energy. When a neutron is fired at the nucleus of a large atom, the atom becomes unstable and splits into 2 smaller atoms. This produces energy and gives off additional neutrons. These neutrons collide with more large, unstable nuclei of the original material and continue the chain reaction. In nuclear fusion, massive energy is given off when small atoms fuse together to make larger atoms. A neutron is released at the same time. Stars like the Sun make their energy when nuclear fusion happens inside them at extremely high temperatures and pressures.